Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today we open higher because of positive global cues, but as usual we sold off, and that's what is happening every day. And market open higher, it gives a very good opportunity for FIIs to sell. And today the market was higher because of Bank Nifty, and all the banking stocks did very well, but IT has underperformed. And Nifty has fallen about 100 points at the end of the day, and the entire 100 point fall came from 4 stocks: Infosys, TCS, Asian Paints and L&T. And Infosys and TCS we know, because when markets are falling in Nasdaq, all the IT stocks all over the world is selling off. But though there is no reason, because when our markets is selling off, our currency will depreciate, which is actually good for our IT stocks. And our IT stocks are different from Nasdaq IT stocks, but still, sentiment is bad, everything is falling off. Again, Asian Paints, there is a report that Grasim is entering into paint business with a huge capital, with a large capacity. So that dented the sentiment in Asian Paints. And moreover, crude oil prices are higher, so it's actually against the Asian Paint. So Asian Paint has also fallen, and L&T is a normal fall only. So these 4 stocks took 100 point away from Nifty. And then though markets were higher in the morning, it was mainly because of banking stocks, and the mid caps and small caps already started bleeding in the morning itself. I think the morning itself I remember seeing a mid cap 2.5%, small cap 3.5%. I think the broader market seeing much more pain. It's only the banking stock, particularly HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank. They did extremely well. And Kotak Bank, as last time when the Bank Nifty went to 38,000, Kotak Bank was 1,700. Now the Bank Nifty is 34,000 and this is at 1,900. So yesterday only I told you, after a very, very long time, both HDFC Bank and HDFC came out of top 5 gainers. And today also it is a repeat. And today also it is HDFC and HDFC Bank both became 2 of the top 5 gainers. So at the end of the day, FIIs have sold for 1,800 crore and the domestic institutions have bought for 2,200 crore. And net institutional flow is 400 crore. But why the market is falling like this? And it's very simple, and people are scared. And looking at the global cues and looking at the local cues, the way FIIs are selling. And it is not the question of selling and nobody want to buy. When nobody want to buy, even a small selling drags the market down so much. With today's selling, FII selling has crossed 50,000 crore in the month of May. And from January to May, their selling has crossed 2,75,000 crore, and 2,75,000 crore in a matter of 5 months. And this is what they have invested in the last 12 to 13 years. Whatever the money was brought in the last 12 years, and almost the entire amount has been taken away by the FIIs in a matter of just 5 months. So this is a really a big concern, and unless US market stabilize, these FIIs are not going to stop selling, and unless FIIs not going to stop selling, markets will be ultimately will go down. Market will be jittery, market will move higher, but ultimately the market goes down. So today Nifty spot took support around 16,003. So it did not break 16,000, but though Nifty future has broken, and Nifty future has been trading in discount only, so that broke 16,000, but Nifty spot did not break. And then the moment Nifty future broke 16,000, I think some domestic support must have come. The market went higher. Again, that higher level was sold into. So just imagine, look at the last 3 days. Day before yesterday, market went to 16,400. Yesterday went to 1635, and then today morning 16,220, and again closing, it was below 16,000. I'm talking about Nifty future. and it is hugely volatile, and it's going to be like this, and tomorrow also. And usually in the first 3 weeks markets are volatile. I always used to tell the fourth week will be even more volatile, and fourth week will be even more volatile, but expiry day will be even more volatile. I am sure tomorrow markets is going to go haywire. And if you can remember what I told you in the morning, if the markets are higher, I want to do something, but despite market lower and the way it was falling, I got scared and I bought 16,000 put option, and I bought it around 80 rupees, and I don't want to pay so much money from my pocket. I sold 16,150 call option for 40 rupees, 2 lots. I sold 2 lots of 16,150 call, 80 rupees, 40 rupees into 40 rupees plus 40 rupees, 80 rupees, and use that money to buy put option. So if tomorrow market is bearish, if market falls, no, my buy option will give some profit. And of course, I will be in trouble if the market, there's a huge gap up, it goes above 16,150, and that time we have to manage, somehow. I want the market to go up actually. I don't want the market to go down. If the market goes down, I want to make some profit. This is a hedging for some of my other long positions. So, this is all about our market, and our market for the last 2 weeks has been, look at the May series, 4 weeks. Out of the 4 weeks, the first 2 weeks, Nifty fell from 17,400 to 15,700, just straight away, all the way down. I think 8 or 9 trading session, Nifty fell from 17,400 to 15,700. That's the first half of the story, May series. The second half of the month, what happened? From 15,700 to 16,400, it has been trading very violently. From 15,700 went to 16,400, again from 16,400 came to 15,700, again went to 16,400, again came back to 16, again went to 16,220, again came and broke 16,000. It's very huge. And if things are not improving, I will not be surprised tomorrow we fall another 200, 300 points. And I'm not saying that that's going to happen, but there is a possibility. And the markets are very volatile. And again, tomorrow's thing, tomorrow only, but we have to see what is going to happen in US tonight. And in the morning, US futures were higher, but late in the afternoon, the US futures started falling. And right now, Dow future is down by about 150 points. And US markets are also going to be highly volatile. There is no doubt about it. And today, markets will be in a very jittery mode until 11:30 p.m. At 11:30 p.m., last Fed meetings minutes will be released. So if there is any hawkish statement in that minutes, and the markets will fall, or who knows, if the markets are sold off before that and they don't see any hawkish statement, then there may be some short covering also. So today, US markets and night 11:30 to 1:30 a.m. So we have to see how that market moves, and based on that we will open tomorrow here, and whether you like it or not, we will always follow US markets. And I will come out with a video another time. Despite every day we are following US markets, in a longer period of time we may behave opposite also. So it's all about US markets, but right now things are looking very bad. I think 5 minutes before, when I check SGX Nifty, it has already come down to 15,950, and things are really looking very bad. So the only thing, keep yourself safe from this turmoil. Don't catch the falling knife unless you are very convinced about your investments. And trading is becoming even more difficult. And the last 5 months, I can tell you, this is the history in the Indian stock market. FIIs have never sold this kind of selling. So it's going to be very, very bad. We don't know where the market will bottom out. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.